Okay, hi guys, officially welcome back to my channel. So we are officially done with the morning parts of my day, and I had some breakfast, finished putting on some clothes, and had the time to do my face. And so now all we have to do is rush to campus because I'm almost kind of late and where my faculty is located is hella far, so I have to walk so far. So without spending too much time on talking, let's actually walk and I'll show you my usual morning, I guess, route that I take to get to my faculty and the fastest way that I get to my faculty. But this is the morning part completed and I feel fresh, I feel fed. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm on my way. Right behind me is my res, and there's more res on the side of me. I'm trying to rush this outfit. So this is usually if I want to have less people on my route. This is the one I take. It's kind of serene, quieter, less chaotic, and yeah. Okay, I'm finally here. So right on the side is the life science building. Yes. And hi, how are you? I haven't seen you in a while. And finally,
You want to say that? No, no, no. Anything. Okay, what's the molecular formula? What is the molecular formula? No. When you have the element, right, in the atomicity theory in a compound, that's a molecular formula. Because it's a molecule, then you are only showing us the formula. Because some of these things are very similar to what you're talking about now. Really, you have to work to know. Yes. Chemical formula. Chemical formula and molecular formula. The molecular formula is more appropriate. It's the best description for a chemical formula.
it's time for practicals. Okay. Okay, let's go.
at your YouTube channel.
Like it's bubbling.
You're gonna post this on YouTube.
I don't know. I feel like LinkedIn. That's my conclusion on my video as a final year undergrad in chemical science. So I just wanted to show you my day-to-day, what I get up to and what it usually look like. And so most of the video consisted of me being in my class and then going to the laboratories. And so we have finally concluded this semester's work, and yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I think I would make a separate video where I get more into depth, so hopefully stay tuned for that. Bye. Thank you for watching.